welcome to Chuche's Mind. Good morning to you. So guys, I'm running late to church. Thing is that I'm not going to Catholic church today, only because I've missed going to Hillsong. So I want to go to Hillsong today, and Hillsong is apparently in Tottenham Court Road. Because I was running. I wasn't running, but I was walking fast. I thought it took like 30 minutes from my location to Hillsong. Apparently not. It is 53 minutes and mass is at 11. The time is like 10:20. I left the house before, but I thought I forgot my Oyster card, and my Oyster card was actually in my backpack, which you know, try. But yeah, this, you guys will have seen this card already, though, because I'm always into tap in and tap out on the train line and on the bus as well. I'm going to be late for church, and it's PJ's fault, because I'm meant to meet up with PJ after church, but he's telling me he won't get to London until 2, and I'm like, if mass is 2 hours, mass will be done by 1, so what am I doing for 1 hour? I really don't know. Try to cross the road. We move. I am 30 minutes late. Can you see? I missed my train. I was busy pressing phone, and I thought the train that was coming was a long train. I don't know, it was a short train, so it didn't stop in front of me. By the time I now looked up, I was like, ah, that's my train. Uncle just, let's say, zoom up. So yeah, I'm in Tottenham Court Road now. By the time I get out, it says it's like a 1 minute walk from the station to Hillsong. So yeah, let's go. That is the church right there. It's actually raining. It rains every day in this country. I'm tired. But yeah, that's where the church is. Yes, yes. Okay. Straight now.
Faith needs to be anchored in something. I know God did this. He did this. Because then you're ready for what's next. That could be, are you ready for just where I'm at right now? Something's got to change God, something's got to change me. Something's got to give. Or maybe it's like God, I feel like there's a whole next, there's a whole something before me, whatever it might be. I know as a church, half of the houses we're going to, there's this sense of, hey, we can look over our shoulder and go, hey, that's what was, but there's just way more before us than there is behind us, and it's almost like, hey, come on, we're stepping into something new, for what we're ready for what is to come next. And when we get into that, I want you to almost, once again, sing it, declare, I'm ready for what comes next. There's a coming next. That God is building within you with what He's doing in you. He's building on it day by day, bit by bit, week by week, month by month.
So horrible with doing outfit of the day, but I've been repeating clothes since I came here, mainly because I don't see the point of buying cold outfits because I'm leaving soon. But yeah, in my haul, I got this trouser from New Look. This top is H&M. I had it before I moved back to Lagos. but I came for pee break. Going back in now. You guys, oh my God.
He rose again. That's the proclamation that your sins are forgiven. He proclaims that. That's the proclamation of that statement. The cross is the proclamation of your sins are forgiven. You just got to accept it. You've got to accept it as a reality or not. You can't accept it. It's a gift that is given to you. You can't earn it. You can't work it up. You have to learn how to live your life in a place that your sins are forgiven. The cross proclaims that over your life. Right? So he gets that. But he gets healed too. Because, as I said, there was this sense of anticipation, there's this sense of expectation. We gather together. I believe that we can gather together, all of us come together with a sense of anticipation and expectation that causes us to say, you know what, I just got to get mine in this room. The in the room experience of a group. The in the room experience when a department gets together. The in the room experience when teams gather together, where it's like, I just got to get my friend.
Everybody in this room, in one voice, we're all going to pray this prayer alongside with you. So come on, everyone, say, Dear Jesus, thank you for dying for me. And thank you for rising from the dead, so that I can have a personal relationship with you. I thank you that all my sins are forgiven, past, present, and future. Today, I make you my Lord, and I make you my Savior. I am a new creation. I choose to follow you for the rest of my life. In Jesus' name, we all said,
that whenever you want to go underground on the escalator, if you don't want to move, you stand on the right hand side, then you leave the left hand side for people that want to walk faster. So that's why people stand there. Sometimes see in my vlogs people just walk past like that.
Will arrive in 2 minutes.
Barriers are open, you can easily just walk past, but then again you have to tap out so that they don't overcharge you. So I tapped So yeah, if you don't tap and you just pass by, the next time you tap, they charge you like £20, Abby. How much?
Double the price.
Oh, they charge you double the price of what you're meant to pay.
Something like that.
Okay, someone told me £20, but PJ is saying, I forgot. Someone told me £20.
Where's the shop you said I'll go?
The shop is down here. So yeah, we are going to see my uncle. This time around, I came with that knucklehead. Then I moved it to 5 and now it's 6. This is so sad.
Is that friends making it?
We went to go that way. Oh guys, there's 5 guys. I must go to 5 guys before I leave this country. Like I have a list of places to eat. That side. Oh my god, you need to go to this place. Their ice cream is nice. I've forgotten their name. No, straight, just cross now. No car's coming. I'm going to look for Shake Shack, because that's what we're supposed to meet Ziad. Burger free.
I'm not second. Like anything to show that you're in uni.
Or anything to show you're in uni?
Yeah.
Okay. Show them your student ID.
Yeah, that's okay.
picture time. Thank you guys for watching this video.
Please don't
EP. But yeah, we're done with today's vlog. First time I'm actually doing my outro. But yeah, tell them, don't forget to watch.
Okay, this time around you can like, but I tried.
Please like, comment, share, subscribe.
Please, me, I'm telling you what to do.
We don't know anything. But yeah, we're going home now. Don't worry, another time we'll come here during the day. We'll vlog a lot, take plenty pictures, and yeah, see you guys in my next video. Yes, this is the last of